Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer money to M1 Finance. To begin, you will need to link an external bank account. This is typically done through the M1 Finance platform by providing your bank's routing and account numbers. M1 will then send one or two small deposits, usually less than $1, to verify your account ownership. Once verified, you are ready to initiate transfers. The most common way to add funds is via an automated clearinghouse, or ETC, transfer. These are great for recurring deposits and usually take 2 to 3 business days to process. For larger or more urgent transfers, a wire transfer is an option. While faster, often settling within 1 business day, wire transfers might incur fees from your sending bank. Always check with your bank regarding any potential charges. Super Mario Odyssey's main online interaction is Luigi's Balloon World, unlocked after finishing the main adventure. In Hide It mode, you have 30 seconds to conceal a balloon anywhere in a kingdom. In Find It mode, you search for balloons hidden by other players globally, also within a time limit. Successfully hiding or finding balloons earns you coins and improves your online ranking, offering endless competitive fun. Before initiating any transfer, always confirm the specific limits M1 Finance may have for deposits, which can vary. It is crucial to double-check all account and routing numbers to prevent delays or errors. If you ever have questions or encounter any issues during the transfer process, remember that M1 Finance's support team is available to assist you. Happy investing!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.